Hey guys, so welcome back. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the headlight washers on my 2014 BMW 1 Series. First thing you need to check is you've got some of these. Got some of them? Should be good. Now we're going to go inside. I'm going to show you how they work. Okay guys, so we're out inside the car. To make these work, obviously first thing we've got to do, make sure the engine's running. Now, so if your headlights are off, you hit your washers, all that happens is the wipers. Now, if we go and turn on the headlights all the way on, so now you can see on the dashboard it says that they're on. So hopefully, I hit this now, they should come out. And there you go guys, that's how it works. So, thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up for me. Hit the subscribe button down below. See you on the next one. We are out.